One of the most common mistakes, I think, is doing a Google search and coming up with nothing and thinking that means that no one has come up with their invention or no one has used that trademark. It really requires a lot more searching than that, using a variety of different databases and resources, and the PTRC is there to help them discover what those are.
We help them to identify the type of intellectual property that's best for them, educational consultations, workshops. Specifically, a lot of times it'll be on how to do a trademark search or a patent search. Sometimes it's just to see if someone's infringing or not. Sometimes it's to empower them to pursue their own intellectual property, a patent or a trademark.
I help people one-on-one in how to get started with a preliminary patent search or a trademark search. We have computers for the public to use to do patent and trademark searching. We also have a ton of print resources and online resources that they can use.